Hey everyone! Today we're taking a look at the refreshed 2025 Genesis G80, and let me tell you, this luxury sedan is bringing some serious heat to the Germans. But before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more automotive content. Remember when Genesis was the new kid on the luxury block? Well, they're not playing around anymore. The 2025 G80 just got a tech overhaul that'll make Mercedes and BMW owners do a double take. The first thing you'll notice is that massive, and I mean massive, 27-inch OLED display stretching across the dash. It's like having a home theater in your car, and trust me, it looks even better in person. On the outside, Genesis kept what was working, smart move, but tweaked just enough to keep things fresh. The giant grille still turns heads, and the new LED headlights look like they're straight out of a concept car. If you opt for the sport trim, you get these aggressive air intakes that give the car some serious attitude. Let's talk power. Under the hood, you've got two options: a turbo 4-cylinder pushing 300 horses, or if you're feeling spicy, a twin-turbo V6 with 375 horsepower. Both come with all-wheel drive standard, because Genesis isn't messing around. During our test drive, the V6 Sport hit 60 in an estimated 4.9 seconds. That's quick enough to make your passengers say, "This is a Genesis." But here's the thing, this isn't trying to be an M5 killer. The G80 is all about that luxury life, and it shows. The ride quality? Like floating on a cloud? Road noise? What road noise? The cabin is so quiet you could hear a pin drop. And speaking of the interior, the materials in here are absolutely top-notch. We're talking rich leather, real metal trim, and build quality that would make some six-figure luxury cars nervous. Now, let's get to the real showstopper, the price. The G80 starts at $58,300. But here's where it gets interesting. The sweet spot is the 2.5 Turbo Advanced trim at $63,100. You get ventilated seats, a panoramic roof, Bang & Olufsen audio, and enough tech to make a Best Buy jealous. Try getting that kind of equipment in a similarly priced BMW 5 Series or Mercedes E-Class. Spoiler alert, you can't. But it's not all perfect. The new touch-sensitive climate controls look cool, but they're trickier to use while driving than good old-fashioned buttons. And if you're expecting sports car handling, you might want to look elsewhere. This is a luxury cruiser through and through. Fuel economy is decent for the 2.5 turbo at 22 city, 30 highway, but the V6 gets thirsty, managing just 17 city and 25 highway. Small price to pay for that sweet twin-turbo power though, right? Here's what seals the deal: the warranty. 5 years or 60,000 miles bumper to bumper, and an incredible 10 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain. Genesis is basically saying, yeah, we built this thing right. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Genesis G80 is a home run. It takes everything that made the previous model great and adds a serious dose of tech. It's got the style, the comfort, and the features to compete with the best, all while undercutting them on price. Sure, it might not have the brand recognition of its German rivals yet, but if Genesis keeps making cars this good, that won't be true for long. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan and don't care about badge snobbery, you need to test drive this car. Trust me, you'll be surprised at just how good it is. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know what you think about the 2025 G80. Would you take this over a BMW or Mercedes? Let me know. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.